Financial and insurance institutions have exclusive access to two of the most secure top-level domains on the internet, .bank and .insurance. DNSimple now offers complete registration and management for these restricted top-level domains. In this video, we'll cover the verification requirements for these domains, the mandatory security standards you need to meet, and how DNSimple provides full compliance support for enterprise institutions. What makes these top-level domains different, and why should financial institutions use them? .bank and .insurance are restricted top-level domains. You cannot register a .bank or .insurance domain unless you're a verified insurance or financial institution. The registry performs verification before allowing registration of a domain. This creates immediate trust with your customers. When someone sees your .bank or .insurance domain, they know that you've undergone verification and know you meet specific industry requirements. This exclusivity separates you from competitors using .com or .net domains. Anyone can register a .com, but only verified institutions can register .bank or .insurance. Using .bank or .insurance creates immediate brand differentiation. Customers recognize these top-level domains the same way that they recognize .edu for educational institutions or .gov for government agencies. Your domain would signal technical competence, demonstrating your commitment to security and customer protection while displaying that you've met verification requirements and maintain ongoing compliance. .bank domains are perfect for commercial banks, savings institutions, investment firms, and payment providers, while .insurance domains are made for insurance companies, brokers, and agents. How does DNSimple help comply with these security requirements? Using .bank and .insurance domains comes with mandatory security requirements that are monitored for compliance continuously by the registry. Financial and insurance institutions must implement specific technical controls to protect their customers from phishing attacks, compromised transactions, and fraudulent emails. DNSimple's managed DNS service is fully compliant with all these security requirements, providing the technical infrastructure and tools you need to meet every registry mandate. DNS Security Extensions, or DNSSEC, is required to prevent DNS spoofing and cache poisoning attacks. Our interface simplifies DNSSEC configuration with one-click activation. Just set it, and we take care of the key management and signing automatically. Multi-factor authentication is required for account access, protecting from unauthorized changes to your DNS configuration. DNSimple provides token-based two-factor authentication, as well as support for security keys. When using multi-factor authentication, your users can have separate authentication credentials, enabling you to grant or remove access and permission levels without sharing passwords. Email authentication is required, with implementations of SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to protect against email spoofing. DNSimple makes it straightforward to configure these records through our interface, API, or Terraform provider. SSL certificates are required for all web properties, meaning that your sites must use HTTPS with valid TLS certificates. DNSimple provides SSL certificate management, so you can order and install certificates directly through your DNSimple account while letting us handle renewals and updates automatically. Our platform is also HTTPS only, so all communications are always transmitted over encrypted connections. Finally, you must use name servers that match your top-level domain. If you have a .bank domain, you need .bank name servers, and if you have a .insurance domain, you need .insurance name servers. DNSimple offers vanity name servers, so you can configure your own .bank or .insurance name servers with just a few clicks. This meets registry requirements while extending your branding to your DNS infrastructure. What are the benefits of using DNSimple to service your .bank and .insurance domains? DNSimple's global Anycast network has 8 points of presence, distributing your DNS queries over multiple locations for faster resolution times and built-in redundancy. Our real-time DDoS protection filters malicious traffic before it reaches your DNS infrastructure, maintaining uptime during attacks. When you own a .bank or .insurance domain through DNSimple, You have access to priority support with guaranteed response times within an hour on business days, where your questions will go to a dedicated queue. Our support team is composed of qualified engineers who understand DNS architecture, security requirements, and registry compliance. You also receive a dedicated account manager who assists with registration, verification, and ongoing management of your infrastructure by coordinating with our engineering team. Assistance with complex configurations and access to migration services from our team means that you have everything you need to manage your setup and meet compliance while using DNSimple. How do you get started? Contact our sales team to discuss your institution's requirements. We'll explain the verification process, timeline, and technical setup. We'll also assess your current DNS configuration and plan your migration if you're transferring from another provider. Our team handles the complexity and registry compliance so you can focus on serving your customers. We monitor requirement changes, maintain security standards, and ensure your domains remain compliant. Ready to get started? Get in touch with our sales team, and we'll get you up and running. Have more questions? Visit our .bank and .insurance pages linked in the description.